This is a follow-up video to one I did earlier about a month ago where I did a walkthrough on a pre-foreclosure that I had been assigned from a bank. In that video, I make comments that I don't feel, because of the condition and the amount of work it needs and the amount of the final judgment, which was over $94,000, I didn't feel anybody would buy this house basically at the courthouse steps. And I was wrong. Someone did. Let me show you a quick clip of the previous video that I did where I talk about the size, the condition, repairs it needs, and the fact that I don't think anyone's going to buy it. Okay, so 1,000 square feet, 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, needs roof, it needs an HVAC, it needs electrical, it needs flooring, paint, sheetrock work, kitchen updates. Yeah. I think the final judgment on this one is $94,000 and some change. So I don't foresee this one going, somebody buying this at the courthouse. I don't think there's enough numbers in it. This is what it looks like when you open the county's website and check to see who got the property back. If a third party bid and won, then you're going to see, like this one, third party, and you're going to see the dollar amount. They paid $103,200 plus the added cost, the deduct stamps and stuff they have to pay to get title. They paid $103,200, so closer to $104,000 for this house that needs so much work. And the comps just aren't there. I mean, if they were, then I would say this could be a really great buy. I don't see it. I would never advise to buy that property. I think it's a big mistake, but hey, somebody did, so that's what's happening to a lot of the foreclosures. Probably at least 5 or 6 of the last ones I've done pre-foreclosure work on, none of them have made it through the sale. They've all been purchased. So if you're out there looking for foreclosures or looking for investment properties, this is one thing that's going on right now in our area, third-party buyers. So hey, if you have any questions or any comments or anything else you'd like to know about foreclosures or anything real estate related, if you need help buying or selling, just give me an email, give me a phone call. I'll be glad to help. Appreciate it. Thanks and have a great day.